If your feet are so swollen that your shoes don't fit and you can barely walk without discomfort, you're not alone. Millions of people suffer from painful foot swelling. But what if I told you that 5 simple home remedies could reduce that swelling by up to 70% in just 24 hours? Today, I'm revealing the natural solutions that emergency room nurses use when their own feet swell after 12-hour shifts. These aren't just temporary fixes. They address the root causes of swelling. And the third remedy will surprise you, because it's probably sitting in your kitchen right now. Swollen feet aren't just uncomfortable. They're your body's way of telling you something is wrong. Whether it's from standing too long, poor circulation, inflammation, or underlying health conditions, that painful swelling can make every step miserable. Most people reach for over-the-counter medications that only mask the symptoms temporarily. But these natural remedies work differently. They help your body eliminate excess fluid, improve circulation, and reduce inflammation at the source. The best part? These remedies use ingredients you likely already have at home, cost practically nothing, and provide relief that lasts. Let's dive into these powerful, natural solutions. The first remedy is a classic for good reason. Epsom salt foot soaks work through a process called osmosis to draw excess fluid from swollen tissues. How to do it? Fill a basin with warm, not hot water. Add 1-2 cup Epsom salt and stir until dissolved. Soak your feet for 15-20 minutes. Gently massage your feet while soaking. Why it works? Epsom salt contains magnesium sulfate, which reduces inflammation and helps your body eliminate excess sodium and water. The warm water improves circulation, while the salt draws out fluid through your skin. Pro tip: add a few drops of peppermint essential oil for an extra cooling, anti-inflammatory effect. Do this twice daily for best results. Many people notice significant reduction in swelling after just one treatment, with maximum benefits appearing after 2 to 3 days of consistent use. This simple technique costs nothing but can provide dramatic relief by working with gravity to reduce fluid buildup. The proper method: lie down and elevate your feet 6 to 12 inches above your heart level. Use pillows to support your legs comfortably. Stay in this position for 15 to 30 minutes, 2 to 3 times daily. For added benefit, gently flex and point your toes while elevated. Why it works? Gravity naturally pulls fluid down to your feet throughout the day. Elevation reverses this process, allowing accumulated fluid to drain back toward your heart and kidneys for elimination. Enhancement tip: while elevated, perform simple ankle circles and calf raises to activate your muscle pumps and improve lymphatic drainage. This technique is particularly effective for swelling caused by prolonged standing or sitting, and you'll often see improvement within 30 minutes. Here's the surprising kitchen remedy that reduces swelling from the outside in: a powerful turmeric paste that targets inflammation directly. How to make it? Mix 2 tablespoons turmeric powder with enough water to form a thick paste. Add 1 teaspoon coconut oil and a pinch of black pepper. Apply to swollen areas and wrap with a clean cloth. Leave on for 20-30 minutes, then rinse with warm water. Why it works? Turmeric contains curcumin, a potent anti-inflammatory compound that reduces swelling at the cellular level. The black pepper increases absorption by 2,000%, while coconut oil helps the mixture penetrate your skin. Important note: turmeric can stain, so use old towels and wear clothes you don't mind getting yellow. The staining on skin washes off easily. This remedy is particularly effective for swelling caused by injury or chronic inflammation conditions. This might seem counterintuitive, but proper hydration combined with natural diuretic foods can dramatically reduce water retention. The hydration protocol: drink 8 to 10 glasses of pure water throughout the day. Add natural diuretic foods to your diet. Cucumber, 95% water, natural diuretic. Watermelon, helps flush excess sodium. Parsley, powerful natural diuretic. Lemon water, supports kidney function. Why it works? When you're dehydrated, your body holds on to water, causing swelling. Proper hydration signals your body it's safe to release stored fluid. Natural diuretics help your kidneys eliminate excess sodium and water without depleting essential minerals. Daily routine. Start your day with warm lemon water, include cucumber in your lunch, and end with parsley tea in the evening. This approach addresses one of the most common underlying causes of chronic foot swelling: poor fluid balance. The final remedy combines the power of therapeutic massage with anti-inflammatory essential oils to boost circulation and reduce swelling. The technique: mix 2 to 3 drops of peppermint or eucalyptus oil with 1 tablespoon carrier oil, coconut or olive oil, starting at your toes. Massage in upward strokes toward your heart. Use firm but gentle pressure, spending 5 to 10 minutes per foot. Focus on the arch, ankle, and any particularly swollen areas. Why it works? Massage stimulates lymphatic drainage, helping move trapped fluid out of tissues. The essential oils provide additional anti-inflammatory benefits and improve circulation. Professional tip: always massage toward your heart to support natural lymphatic flow. Never massage directly on open wounds or areas of infection. This remedy not only reduces swelling, but also provides immediate pain relief and relaxation. While these natural remedies are highly effective for common causes of foot swelling, it's important to recognize when professional medical care is needed. See a doctor immediately if you experience sudden, severe swelling in one foot only, swelling accompanied by chest pain or difficulty breathing, red, warm, or tender areas that could indicate infection, swelling that doesn't improve after 48 hours of home treatment, swelling with fever or other concerning symptoms. Underlying conditions that cause chronic swelling include heart conditions, kidney problems, liver disease, venous insufficiency, certain medications. These home remedies work best for swelling caused by lifestyle factors like prolonged standing, minor injuries, or dietary choices. They're also excellent complementary treatments alongside medical care for chronic conditions. These 5 natural remedies have helped thousands of people find relief from painful, swollen feet without expensive medications or treatments. The key is consistency. Use these remedies daily until swelling subsides, then continue as needed for prevention. But here's something crucial that most people don't realize. Chronic inflammation that causes swelling often starts in your gut. What you eat plays a massive role in your body's inflammatory response, and many common foods can trigger the inflammation that leads to swelling, pain, and other health issues. Hidden food sensitivities, particularly to gluten, can cause systemic inflammation that manifests as swollen feet, joint pain, digestive issues, and chronic fatigue. Many people find that when they eliminate inflammatory foods from their diet, their swelling dramatically improves, sometimes within just days. That's why I created my ultimate gluten-free lifestyle guide, a comprehensive system that shows you exactly how to identify and eliminate inflammatory foods that could be causing your swelling and other health issues. This isn't just about gluten. It's about creating an anti-inflammatory lifestyle that supports your body's natural healing processes. Inside the guide, you'll discover the complete elimination protocol to identify your inflammatory triggers, 30 days of anti-inflammatory meal plans that reduce swelling naturally, hidden sources of inflammation in common foods and products, natural remedies that complement dietary changes for faster healing, restaurant dining strategies to maintain your anti-inflammatory lifestyle. Don't just treat the symptoms, address the root cause. If you're dealing with chronic swelling, unexplained inflammation, or other persistent health issues, your diet could be the missing piece of the puzzle. Click the link in my bio to get instant access to the ultimate gluten-free lifestyle guide and start your journey toward natural, lasting relief. Your body is trying to tell you something. It's time to listen and take action. Remember, true healing happens when you address the cause, not just the symptoms. Check out the guide in my bio and transform your health from the inside out.